If you are here, you have been able to watch two amazing humans thrive in what it means to be loved. It's not a love that you're born into. It's one that needs to be built, brick by brick. The first brick is a look. The next, a conversation, then a date. Each and every day since they met, they've been adding bricks to their love's foundation until one day they realize it is solid and nothing can destroy it. Ashley and Renee have built this love together, and I know they will keep adding exciting new bricks each and every day.
I can't sleep through the night, I got you on my mind. Sky's always on fire like the 4th of July.
When I was a kid, someone told me about this thing. If rabbit rabbit is the first thing you said on the first day of the month, then it would be a lucky month. Now I know that every month I remembered that, luck was being stored up to trade up for my own personal good luck charm. I know that you're all the luck I need. You're my favorite person, my moon and my stars, my baby cakes, my home.
Being a part of your life has been the most rewarding last 4 years. You make me laugh. You make me a version of myself that I want to be. You are the single most loving person I have ever known, and I am honored to have you in my life. I'm so proud to get to call myself Renee Casimir. Most of my favorite days have been in the time since I've met you. And I think it's really incredible that many of our favorite days haven't even happened yet. So I can't wait to keep discovering them with you.
Ready to do this?
Let's get freaking married.
Let's get married.
I can't sleep through the night, I got you on my mind. Sky's always on fire like the 4th of July.
Do you, Ashley, take Renee to be the one you not only give love, respect, and compassion to, but also allow yourself to receive the same from?
I do.
Do you, Renee, take Ashley to be the one you not only give love, respect, and compassion to, but also allow yourself to receive the same from?
I do.
To be by your side, what I wouldn't do. Oh, honey, I've got it bad and I'm addicted to.
I'm extremely honored to officially pronounce Ashley and Renee legally wed.
Addicted to.
Ashley, as long as I've known her, which is 36 years, she's been the comedian of our family. And pretty much since we've been younger, smart, all of that good stuff. And I'm happy that Renee is able to kind of be brought into that. And then to Renee, even though the first day you met me, you claimed me as your sister, which I did not mind. I'm happy to have you, as well as my mother is happy to have you.
Don't lose the moment. Holding my breath. Don't lose the moment. Here at the edge. Our hearts are open.
Nearly 4 years ago, when Ashley and Renee met, they were both at stages of their life where they were insistent to one another that it was just casual. It wasn't long into them meeting each other or lockdown before it was clear to everyone that knew them that this was a love for a lifetime.
Holding my breath. Don't lose the moment. Here at the edge.
best advice I can give to you as a married couple is to continue to make your own path, trust yourselves, and do everything through love. Wishing you a lifetime of fabulous travels and an eternity of happiness. Cheers to Renee and Ashley, the Casimirs.